my new thing.
Alright, so double R bass fishing back here. Today we're going to do a bluegill fishing challenge with my friend TR Fishing. He's back there getting ready. And yeah, we're just using some bread. We'll drop it down here and see what's bluegill here. Oh, got one. Yeah. Oh. Check her out.
Been here for 5 seconds, already got one.
Seriously, man. All right, whoops again. All right, let's get back in there. Got one on the board. Just rigging up a little piece of bread and dropping it. And things bite every time you drop a bait in, so we will see. Oh, line's all tangled. That's not good. All right, dropping it in. Come on, give me a good one. Oh, took it. Felt him on.
Yeah, I haven't actually caught a bluegill on a lure. Just bread and cheese. Pretty much anything works for bluegill.
Pretty much.
Brought my little micro trout too.
Oh. Come on. Oh, we got one. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a little guy.
It's not that.
That's a little tiny guy. There you go.
I've already caught
What
two.
was that?
Been here for what, 3 minutes?
I get most. 2 minutes, yeah. Got it. What lure are you using?
Little grub tail.
Oh, nice. Get any bites?
Yeah. A bunch.
Nice, nice, nice. Back in there, see if we can make it 3. Cast it back in there, see if I can get a good one. Come on. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, never mind. Started pulling my rod in like it was a good one. Check that out. Oh yeah.
He's got that little spiky thing on his like stomach.
I know. It's very cool. Ah, he slapped my hand. They stink.
Can't do fish on the water.
Oh, trust me, I know, but can't talk. You didn't want to put a worm on. Can't talk. Can't talk. Scammer gets scammed.
Scammer, you scam?
All right, so yeah. Oh wow, already got one. Oh, that's a decent one.
He's dropping it instantly.
Seriously. It's another little guy. Was that 4? Yeah. There we go. Let's get some more bread on there and get in, see if we can get another one. Throw some bread on that grub.
I'm gonna have to idea.
It's right there on the hook.
That's the kind of the lure.
I guess, sure.
Just put it on with the grub tail.
That's what I'm saying. Throw it on with the grub tail. Put it on the hook. Alright, let's throw it back in there. Oh, we already got one. Yep. Ah, got off. See if we can get him back. They're on a big piece of bread. I just put it right there on the tip of the hook. If I get it. big piece of bread on now. Using this little micro rod from like the 70s. Oh. We got one. Ah! Man, keep stealing my bread. I only got so much bread. I need more. Should have brought more bread. All right.
Probably a piece of bread in there. And the end of a grub tail.
Oh, we got one. Man,
Chomped it.
stealing my bait. That is what's happening. Oh, that's a big one.
The
Oh
bread
yeah,
wasn't even on it. He
that's
got it.
nice. That's a big one.
That's a pretty good one, dude.
Show it off. Woo. Get that baby out. That's a big one. Doesn't look big on camera, but that thing's big. I'm gonna see how many I can catch on bread, and then I want to try with the little lure. Oh, we got one. We got one. Double up. Oh, oh wow. Hey.
That's not bad.
That's not bad. I thought it was bigger, but it's not bad. Double up. Let's get this off real quick. Here you go. Here's the pliers.
Pliers?
That's a good one.
There's a big smell.
See if we can catch our PB. Did you bring your scale?
Yeah, I got it. I just got my scale.
Last time we were here, I caught a 7-ounce bluegill. That was the biggest bluegill I've ever caught or really seen in person. Got a big old piece of bread on here now. So let's see if we can get a good one. Try to beat that record today.
I got a big one on the grub tail. That's the first bluegill I've ever caught in a lure.
Caught one on a little micro crankbait before.
I got a little micro round trap with me.
Oh, we got one. We got one. Ah, man. Started taking it. Thought we had him. That's the good thing about that grub tail. You're going to catch the bigger ones.
Yeah.